Hello, my name is Kilian Singer. I'm a professor at the University of Kassel, and I would like to show you how to do scalable video streaming with YouTube. So let's start right away. The first thing you need is a Google account. So here you should actually go to the Google web page, and up there on the top left corner, if you pan the window a bit more open, you can see register. You click there, and then you select your account, and you log in. With that, you need now to go to the YouTube web page, and there you have to log in with your Google account. Now you see it's actually already logged in. The next thing you have to do is you click on this link here, and you go to start live streaming. If you haven't done this yet, then the first thing what will happen is it will show you this picture. And it says you should wait 24 hours until you can do that. If you have waited already 24 hours, then you can actually go there and say start live stream. The next thing you need to do is you need to click here to stream, and then you start a new stream. Exactly. You can call it after your lecture. For example, I like to teach quantum optics 2 next semester. And typically you don't want that everybody can search it. Otherwise you leave it to public, or you leave it to non-listed. If you select private, then only you can watch it. You can say something what you will teach about. For example, we will speak about the Jaynes-Cummings model. All right, and then here, typically, if you are at university, you would select education or science and technology. What is quite good is you can actually set the starting date of and starting time of your lecture. This will also allow you to get a link for your students. So we will basically select this to be in, let's say, 5 minutes. And then here you say, it's not specifically for children, and you don't have any age restriction. Then you go to, let's make this a little bit bigger. There should be a button here. You say actually now start, create stream. If you have created that, then you see here some important informations. One important thing is you would actually go to extreme low latencies, such that your students can watch you maybe with 5 seconds delay. The next thing you need is this streaming key. You need to copy that key. And that key you need to paste into a program which we will download next. Also important is this link here. This link is the link you need to put to your Moodle webpage or send by email to your students that they can watch your stream. All right, so the next thing you need is obs-studio. You will download Windows, Mac or Linux version. That's a streaming program, and you save it, and then the next thing, you will install it. While installing, basically, you will just go to the typical step for installing, and you will be fine. After you have installed it, you will be able to run the program via a link down there with the start button. Let's have a look. So it takes some seconds. All right. Now actually you can search here for OBS, and it will allow you to start the program. When you start the program, it will ask you to basically perform some settings for you. You can just cancel that, because what we will use is the settings, which I will show you next. So you go to settings. Then what you do, you go to stream, and there you select YouTube. You select the YouTube stream, and here you paste the link. And the next thing you will do is you go to output. These settings are typically very good. If you have an NVIDIA card, then you can select here NVIDIA H264 new. Then it's much more efficient. All right. These settings are okay. For the audio settings, you can select here your microphone, for example. Yeah. And then here video settings. I would set these to these settings that you have enough bandwidth for your students. 30 frames a second gives you a good quality. Also, here you can leave these settings to normal. All right. Once you have done this, you will be able to insert in this scene. You can have many scenes. For example, a scene from you building up an experiment, or in front of the blackboards if you have a secondary camera. We will just have one stream now, one scene. And here you can add now a source. One source is now display capture. You will select this display, and here you would actually, I have a HD recording now, but you would actually see a different resolution. Then now, because I have HD recording, I need to make this smaller and just fit it into the screen. As next, you would like to have also yourself in the scene. Then you can add here, you can select a video capture device, and you can select your webcam. I just have one webcam, so currently I'm recording with another program. You will select an image for now, and we just take an image of myself, which I put now in the lower corner. By that, you can have your face into the recording. Now, actually, all you need to do is you will actually click here, Start Streaming. Once you have clicked Start Streaming, you go back to your web page. You can actually close this and wait until it's date. And then basically what you need to do is you need to start live streaming with these buttons. All right. So now the live streaming will be started, and you will be ready to go live. And basically now you are live. The students will be able to watch you via this link. It's a little bit delayed, about 5 seconds. They can actually also chat with you down there. And that's how you can share your lectures online. You can also use this link for recording and then later give it to the students. All right. If you'd like to know how I have done my recording, then you can send me an email at, I just show you my email. It's easy as pie. You just look for Kilian Singer. And then basically you will find my webpage and my email, which is here. Send me an email if you're interested about further details, also if you need further help. Thank you.